Hi, beautiful yogis. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are doing a diamond pose, which is also called Virasana. This is a simple yet powerful seated posture that supports our digestive system. It supports our grounding and also focused meditation. This pose helps quiet the mind and reconnect with our stillness. So let's begin. So this is one of the most accessible and beneficial seated positions. It encourages also our calm breathing, strengthens the posture, and settles our nervous system. It's traditionally practiced after meals to support healthy digestion. So kneel on the mat with your knees together and bring your feet slightly apart, big toes touching, and sit gently back on your heels. Lengthen your spine upwards, roll your shoulders back and down, rest your hands on the thighs. And as you breathe in this pose, feel its subtle effects throughout your body. This pose offers many benefits. It has a very grounding energy and it promotes emotional balance. We are enhancing circulation in the lower body while relieving any fatigue from the body. It is a simple shape with profound effects. And we are working with our root chakra, Muladhara, base of the spine. We are working with the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. It's located in the pelvis area, and with the solar plexus chakra, our Manipura chakra. So just be deep here and affirm in your mind, I am grounded, safe, and supported. Stillness strengthens me. I trust the foundation beneath me. I am always calm and stable. Everything is always working out for my highest good. With each experience, only good can come to me. I honor my emotions with compassion. I move through life with balance and ease. My creative energy flows freely. I am centered, I am confident, I am strong. My inner fire guides me with clarity. I stand in my personal power. With every breath, I soften into peace. I allow calm to fill my body and mind. I am present, aware, and steady. Inner stillness is my strength. I have balanced all 3 lower chakras, and now my Shakti energy, my life force energy, moves freely. I have released all blockages and resistance from my body and mind, and my Shakti energy moves freely in my body, and I am open to life. I am calm, I am grounded, and I am clear. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this practice. I wish you all the best. Bye.